this. 17 minus 10, that is 7. That means mu goes on decreasing. But it is added to TU, that is why TU goes on increasing. So that means second apple you have consumed, you have arrived at a utility of 17, total utility of 17. And what is added? Earlier it was 10. Now it was 17. So the added utility is 7. So that is marginal utility. And again, your hunger is not satisfied. I am giving you the third apple. Third apple is giving you the total utility of 21. Okay, 21. So again, we have to calculate its mu, that is 4. 21 minus 7, that is 4. So it was my mistake, sorry. It was 21 minus 17, which will give you 4. And again I am giving you, your hunger is not satisfied. I am giving you the fourth apple, which will give you the TU as 22. Okay, so that is 22 minus 21 again gives you 1 as marginal utility. Here, fifth apple I am giving you, which will give you the total utility as 22. Again, here you have to notice here, see 22 and 22. See, your utility is not changing, right? That means you are getting the maximum satisfaction here. Your hunger is more satisfied here, and now it is giving you the 0 marginal utility. So 0 marginal utility, it is a turning point where you are getting the maximum utilization, or you can say maximum utility or maximum satisfaction out of consuming the apples. Okay, so now if you consume, if again I am giving you the sixth apple, what you will feel? Your total utility is falling to 19. That means you are getting minus 3. Right? So 20, 21, 22. So minus 3 is your marginal utility now. So you may vomit, or you may, what you can say, you are done, fully done at the fifth apple. Even like now I am giving you sixth apple means you can say you will be what you can say, your utility is all done. You are getting maximum utility. Now if you are getting what you can say, you are having apple means you will vomit. So that is the negative utility. So that means here we are completing with our mu schedule 3. Yes. So that is giving you the negative utility, that is minus 3. So that, as I told you, if you have your sixth apple, you may vomit. That is the negative utility that you are getting. So with this we complete our TU and mu schedule. So TU, that is the total utility which you get out of consuming the apples. And marginal utility means when you consume more and more units of an apple, what is the utility added to TU? That is mu. Okay, so that is, if you can see here, it is it is a behavior. It is a consumer behavior shown here. mu is throughout decreasing here, right? 10, 7, 4, 1, 0, minus 3. It is throughout decreasing here. So you can conclude one thing for mu is throughout decreasing. Okay, in a TU-mu schedule, mu will be throughout decreasing. And just see the pattern of TU here. We are taking TU. It is 0, 10, 17, 21, 22, 22, 19. Right? So it is increasing to some extent. It is reaching maximum point, then starts falling. Right? So till here it is increasing. This is the maximum point. Right? And after maximum point, if you continue consumption, your TU starts falling. Right? So that we are going to put it in a diagram. Now you can look through the diagram here. So this is the TU and mu diagram. As you can see, this is TU curve, this is mu curve. All what we have discussed in the schedule is depicted in the diagram. See, TU, it increases at an increasing rate, reaches maximum, then starts decreasing. Right? mu is throughout decreasing. Right? Then when TU is maximum, mu is 0. See here, when TU is maximum, mu is 0. That means if you are taking more and more units, now you will never get an increased TU or increased utility. It will fall. That is the meaning of mu is equal to 0 when TU is maximum. At this particular point, you are done with your hunger. Now if you have apples, you will definitely vomit. That is your negative utility. Okay, so TU initially increases at an increasing rate, reaches a maximum point, then starts decreasing. Mu throughout decreases. When TU is maximum, Mu is equal to 0. When TU starts falling, Mu becomes negative. See, when TU starts falling, Mu becomes negative. So this is coming beyond the axis that you have to look. Okay, see, when this part after the TU maximum, this part you can see, when TU falls or when TU starts to fall, Mu turns negative. Clear? So TU initially increases at an increasing rate, finally reaches maximum, then starts decreasing. So here you can actually mark here 1, 2, 3, 4th unit of apple. Likewise it will go like that. Okay, 4th unit, 5th unit and 6th unit, it will go like that. So 6th unit, your marginal utility will be negative. That means it crosses the x-axis. You have done with the floating points, right? It is like this. See, x-axis and y-axis. So this is the negative part of x-axis. This is the negative part of y-axis. So that means if it is going beyond this axis, it is negative. So that means Mu turns negative when TU starts falling. So this is the TU and Mu schedule and also relationship between TU and Mu. So relationship between TU and Mu, first relationship, that is Mu is throughout decreasing. Second relationship, when TU is maximum, Mu is 0. Third relationship, when TU starts falling, Mu turns negative. Okay. Fourth point, TU increases at an increasing rate initially, reaches a maximum point, then starts diminishing or then starts decreasing. So this is the TU and Mu schedule with a diagram. So you have to be very, very thorough with it. Then only we can move towards a micro part. That is, the whole micro thing is revolving around the concept marginal. And I have to tell you one thing. This is the starting of consumer equilibrium, that is consumer behavior. We are all consumers, right? We all behave in different way, but we all behave in different way. So you have to analyze where the consumer is in equilibrium. Actually, we have to study two commodity. It is theories which are developed, and you have to look through all the theories now.